Hi, hello, I am Erica Rose P. Andrade. I choose SDG number 5, which is gender equality. My explanation to gender equality is, as a part of the 2030 Agenda for Sustainable Development, the United Nations set 17 globals in 2015, including Sustainable Development Goal. SDG number 5, gender equality, recognizing that gender equality is not only a basic human right but also an essential for a future that is peaceful successfully. And sustainable SDG number 5 seeks to empower all women and girls. SDG 5 nor gender equality primary goals are: number 1 is put a stop to all sorts of discrimination, get rid of negative gender stereotypes, child marriage, female genital mutilation, and all forms of violence. Second, assure equal participation, encourage equal representation of women in position of leadership and decision-making in public, political, and economic spheres. Third, access to sexual and reproductive health and rights guarantee that everyone has access to family planning, education, and other sexual and reproductive health service and rights. Number 4. Put an end to unpaid care labor, acknowledge and lessen domestic and unpaid care labor, which disproportionately impacts women and restricts their chances. Number 5. Equal access to education, financial resources, and technology should be guaranteed, and gender-based discrimination in the workplace should be eradicated. Awareness and education. He for she spreads knowledge about gender disparity and offers resources to address in through social media campaigns, events, and educational initiatives. It seeks to change societal norms, especially in cultures where women's responsibilities have historically been viewed as less important. Progress and challenges about SDG 5 or gender equality. Even though there has been a lot of progress in the globe toward gender equality, there are still a lot of issues that need to be addressed, like the gender wage gap, underrepresentation in leadership positions, violence against women, and obstacles to girls' education in some areas. And lastly, the conclusion. Ending gender-based discrimination, empowering women and girls, and advancing equality in all areas of life are the transformative goals of SDG 5. Since gender equality is both a standalone goal and a means of accomplishing other global development targets, it is intimately related to other SDGs. That's all. Thank you. I hope you like it, my explanation about SDG 5 or gender equality. Have a nice day.
Good day everyone. Today we'll be discussing a critical issue facing our planet, climate change, and specifically our role in addressing it under SDG 13, Climate Action. Our project delves into a global and local impact, root cause, and potential solution to this complex challenge. The global impacts of climate change are undeniable. We see a significant rise in the global average temperatures, directly linked to increased greenhouse gas emission from human activities. This warming trend fuels more frequently intense extreme weather events, devastating heat waves, unpredictable rainfall, leading droughts and floods, and increasingly powerful storms. These aren't just a statistic, they are realities, impact on communities, worldwide. To understand the issue, one need to understand the root causes. Greenhouse gas emission, mostly from the burning of fossil fuels for energy, are the main cause. The problem is made worse by deforestation, which remove carbon sink from the environment, and unsustainable farming methods and industrial operation also play a big role. We possess the skill and information necessary to tackle this problem. It is important to switch to sustainable energy source like wind and solar. It's equally crucial to increase the energy efficiency of our industry, transportation, and household. An essential component of the solution is adjusting the current change, conserving forests, and practicing sustainable agriculture. What we can do at a local level, we may back programs that encourage sustainable agriculture, renewable energy, and appropriate garbage disposal in our communities. We promote laws and encourage climate action, international collaboration, technical advancement, and our dedication to cutting emission and adjusting to the avoidable change are all necessary on a worldwide basis. Despite of complicated nature, climate change is a manageable problem. Given the seriousness of the situation, immediate action is required. We can help create a more resilient and sustainable future by being aware of the effects, underlying causes, and possible remedies together. Let's prioritize addressing climate change for the future generation as for our own.
Hello sir, my name is Vincent A. Saison from Basic Criminology 1813. So my SAD is Low Poverty, SAD 1 in short. No poverty is global goal to end poverty in all different form everywhere by 2030. Poverty is not just not having money, it is the absence of having access to food, clean water, sanitation, healthcare, education, and decent housing. So this problem, we must tackle the underlying causes of poverty to meet this target. So this includes the ensuring of decent work opportunities to people and social protection such as unemployment benefits, sustainable agriculture, and the empowerment of women. So this is the another reason inequality must be addressed in order to secure the solutions. By telling your stories or telling the stories of those living in poverty, sharing success stories of intervention that reduce the poverty, and educating on how different aspects of sustainable development goal 1 or no poverty are interconnected. So we must encourage to take action to help end poverty by demonstrating this problem. Maybe this improves the education, and maybe if you are in peak of your life, maybe you have a great occupation, and maybe you have better income to help other people to live in good condition. So it goes in a long way to make it. Just be patient. So getting out of this, you must face your fears. Workshop, discussion, and community event must help or can help you. This is a part of it, like it can help you. So if you know someone that famous on social media, you can engage some of it to promote the sustainable development goal on no poverty. by generating the social media to spread the awareness and maybe open the dialogue or census. This goes in a long way too by spreading the word. As I said earlier, you can be with your partner, an influencer, if you know someone that have engagement to promote the SDD1, so they can amplify and reach a wider audience. So in last, we have to make it easy for people to take an action. Use the opportunity to create a step-by-step guide and share the relevant stories that can encourage some people, while amplifying the difference that a small action can be a better impact to their efforts and can have the ending of poverty. So the last thing that I learned is, don't be scared. Don't be a scared human being. Boost your courage to be a strong human being and take an action.